the science of cellular death and regeneration. Ever wondered what happens to your cell? Let's dive into the fascinating world of cellular death and regeneration. You're dying right now. Not all at once, but one cell at a time. Every single minute, your body kills off millions of cells on purpose. Your body has a built-in self-destruct system for cells called apoptosis, ensuring that old cells make way for new ones. Key processes in cellular death and regeneration include apoptosis, a programmed cell death mechanism. Skin reset, shedding over 30,000 skin cells every hour. Blood cell turnover. Red blood cells live for about 120 days. When cell death goes wrong, it can lead to cancer. Your immune system acts as a cleanup crew, removing dead cells. Your body is constantly rebuilding itself. Gut lining, every 5 days. Skin, every 2 to 3 weeks. Liver, every year. If your cells keep dying and changing, are you still you? Strange but true. Death isn't the end. It's the engine of life. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible processes of cellular death and regeneration.